Hey everyone, welcome to the Homemaking Exchange. My name is Diana, and in this video, I'm going to share a quick and easy recipe for a single glass of lemonade. So on those days when you don't feel like making a whole lot, you can just use this recipe and make yourself one refreshing glass. I'll leave all the ingredients and their amounts in the description box so you can find that information there. And I also really appreciate your support by subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Without further ado, here is the recipe. The first thing you're going to do is combine water and sugar in a microwave-safe measuring cup. Then stir those together and stick this in the microwave for about 45 seconds. Heat it up just long enough for the water to get warm so that the sugar can dissolve. Stir those together until the liquid turns clear. And then you're going to stick this in the refrigerator for about 10 minutes to cool down. While that's cooling to room temperature, you're going to go ahead and get your lemon juice ready. Roll a large lemon on the counter to get the juices going, and then you're going to cut it in half and go ahead and squeeze it, making sure that you get all the pulp and the seeds out. Then you're going to measure out 3 tablespoons of the juice into a 16-ounce glass. Once your water and sugar mixture has cooled, go ahead and add that to the lemon juice, as well as a half cup of cold water. Stir those all together. Top the rest of your drink with some ice cubes. And that's it. It's all done, super easy, and you have a refreshing glass of lemonade ready to go. Thank you so much for watching.